Hello everyone. Today's video we're going to show you how to reset the service light on VW Passat 2011 onward. To do that, turn the ignition on. Keep this menu button. It's showing 1300 miles remaining on service. Right, keep pressing this button, menu button, until you see a setting. Setting. Press the down arrow button. Keep pressing until you see a service. To select that, press OK. Scroll down to reset. Press OK. Reset service, are you sure? OK. Service is resetted. Just keep pressing back. All done. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. And if you like the video, can you please subscribe to my channel? Thank you. Bye.